Masa. Me say Oba na nso na nto na wo de wo sakame.
Bana, wa bro. Ikaro lo fo mane. Wa. O pelo ko. Para bo pelo ko. Go trouble ni do ba. Abono. Kana ka do ko nye for me. So the 50 them are. Kwa, by thunder by fire when la ba shambo. When la le je fa chawe bono wa. Komo yo do ba. Komo ye ni ka bo yo do ba. Onu ni ka bo yo.
Ghana, ye na enim sanka 25th December de anka bronya and as that time now so na de anka sa akode okode pon. One time for the man ono see ni show now so ebonowa akwa no yenhwe ni akwa no de adwin di agro o ta free adwin se lollipop se alewa sana ebonowa no ose go ye ako o ye ship o sana paper boat once the end time schools no students want to in the paper a boat be paper boat ka ebonowa nye bi ebonowa nye hwe na ebonowa betina social media ena wa unko school yema homework ka wan wo school no unko ak ni mu bi aka yekom aye terms and conditions ebonowa unko na waye aka eye invitation aje wo connection ansa na wetima kura ak ni mu oh Ghana hifa na edui aka inso ba beto aye be room se ebonowa e ma ho terms and conditions connection e di room eye invite and e di ra ak ni mu sa na nka do wa ye kranka anka onu bo anka ebenya ma fa mama be room what you say
today we know all build the ark we were having no can no color woman in Yabadi.
No color woman there. Madam Kofa from Abidjan, or been from Togo, been from Kofa from Anapena, more live in and Wakat, and people are calling me Bissam a day, no, but I am not Miss Ramon or Hanokai. Nanala Bahanon and Namaha, no so a jar, or Senario Waha, or the bar, or a boat from Okuruman, Kokadu, and I'm a mutual. Le jana so oya TikTok and
yan fano 11 ya 11 and my ibnu mo fancy no mu ya den mo
fancy na on mamba kai muchum musma bido mite na okay no say
ndi de be no ba hade
oh obo no wa ba more than 3 months no 3 months so na wa ba no ye ni po wa around ma ehun ma me de minimum I know you
oh okay nti obe no now,
Oba castle won't problem, Mina castle. I know this is no name.
But now, on starting with name them.
No, a content creator. Already Nangason or a content creator. Certain session. And no, I'm going to one shed.
Or create content. Now, TikTok now, content you but all of a sudden also new vision.
I she didn't me, I took so.
It's not sure we did damn me.
My Adam French and most and one of the brain water wonder. Obibia so one as ye be a dash up to and the Bible or the king to I'm a shrub a beam on to the
25th no
she but your bomb was not by Yamadan per eye.
Ibinum local concert we rapaholic, Ibinum Musus and no, but you bet me off work in there because Misha did put 1 week.
I can could go on
hindi na come
could be the one name on what I trace so not that tracing why
auntie bet me aben ho always you na okay so
na ebono asana yeke sana ebono settings na oche Dr. UN ni Dr. Chef Smith kan fan omo sana ebono wa onye ark bia okopu na no hodo ma ark na fishermen no ma ye na anka won be ko fishing no moya mu yenwe eno po ye uncompleted ena ebono wa e chim se ono o ye ark ena insuo ba beto 25th December obi a o ka tire obi ato wa ye ade na made na ewura international market mu me no ka say last time ye shine bonifobi e be ba ark no ho e be fa on sana ni na ebono wa settings no oche ebono wa ko settings we iOS 100 ebono wa three settings sana ebono wa ba onye ark bia ebono wa ye content creator we check content content enfa nse anka settings kwan bia ebunu abefa so no so be hit na no ye no ebunu abegina set 25th and I'm interceding that ni na ebunu aboa onye hwe eno na kesefo bi makopie mo bebi a oye ne akom ene akochem se de bi ebunu a sana onye hwe ombom so mu ni mebu wo no wakope se esam kotoku se ebro kotoku na ohye no se na tete disciples no o se tete disciples se na moye no ati ase atade no mohye no Yes. Ebo no wa etiuma eno. Nsini na ebo boa. Mo ma yenko tie mu nsem embra.
Nti ochere he eyi na original hoden ofo nti
no enam wo mo say eputu wo mo say ziban wo
Ebono and ark. So this is Ebono's ark, and this is where he came to climb and said he's building.
Go up.
So let me climb up and see what's inside. Guys. Wow. So this is it. Nti actually 25th no. You be shame the mala na there he.
No oduru wa e kemo wan
yin. Guys, so I've come to where Ebonowa said he's building the ark, and this is the exact ark that he said he's building. And this is not an ark, it's a boat. It's a fishing boat. Yeah, it's a fishing boat. And so if should in case the rain starts, how are we going to survive in this?
Tene wutia. Yes, utim se akwa no nimebo no wa papa onimebo onim ni yie pa ha. Na enye strepo biomu enye stre. Ade na bibini ade na bibini tesa ade nya no erade nsoma o se erade asoma me it wa asemme kwini ebo me dey 25th no se me no ka se ye the warning asafo ache bi the warning abre ebo no wa se ebo no wa 25th ni duru na insio no anto insio na anto insio bi ampete a insio na ampete mpo ebo no wa I say by thunder by fire the no be ye no
ebo no wa asafa ache benga bo yo tu blonda di mana mi to no laga mi insio yo no gabo ope lele shi 25 December naga gbele mi ye wala naga gbele mi ye wala obe wala fini lo mi to ma gabo ake 25 December kana ga no ko ba bo ebo no wa no tell direction no road direction no tell me bana wa bo ikaro lo fo mane wa o pelo ko para bo pelo ko no trouble ni do ba e bono kana ka no ko nye fa mi so the 50 them kwa by thunder by fire when la ba shambo when la le je fa tawe bono wa komo yo do ba komo yin ni ka bo yo do ba onu no ni ka bo yo e bono wa 25 December negation na ga gota ga libi nu e shoba they have 27 well ni ga bo war to war fire to fire no ko bo paro manyaba e bono wa
Tende uncle ebo uncle ebo wan kope kwa be faso a inso be to no inso be yire 25 December no wa watem cause 25 sana mechi sa kwodie nso wo show or rapaholic 25 nti akwai sa twema menche erade si inso be to okodie so be rapaholic sesen e ba sana nko o masa akodie aye nipa boni bi ni bisa na se sa akodie ntie erade asem erade si inso be to so se me koye rapaholic sesen it won't say eba na sana ma okode ye okode tutu se esa akode tutu se me nsesa mi date ya na menya me rapaholic intem what I say it is akode ajon ho because ebosi 25 December insio beto okode so be da yo show na koya asem Ghana so 24th omo ye MC 26 rather omo ye show bi wo independence con free show bi abetima ko bi it na koya say Ghana mo erade se insio beto mo shows sana ibubua ebo no abua itene ebo no a yempe saade no onim se isu ntoso isu beto isi a ade era international market no ebo no a won kwa na boat terms and conditions ewo ho ma invite ansana oda seni etima bewem ebo no a ho be 25 December wallahi de wa ye die agi 25 no otete uto rem cause ye de waken sisi anso won se ebo no a hu sta ade ekoyi ono abetire mu se de onso mo obia so obi ankoto ni property anase onji obi asika ntimo obi ambe disturb no onji obi asika
masa mese oba na nso na nto na wo de wo saka me And the men buy. Please and please again. I am not the one sending the invite. There's this invitation going on. I am not the one sending the invite. I am not the one sending the invite. And there's an account on Twitter. The person using Twitter, I am not on Twitter. I am not the one responding to those messages. I am not on Twitter. I haven't sent anybody any message. I haven't sent anybody any message. The act is free. Don't let somebody take your money. Please. The act is free. God is free. The act is free. God is free. The act is free. Listen. The act is free. God is free. The act is God. Salvation is for all. Salvation is for all. Salvation is for all. Don't let somebody tell you there is no God. Don't let somebody tell you there is no act. Don't let somebody tell you there is no act. We are serving a living God. We are serving a living God. It happens to Noah. It happens to Noah. It happens to Noah. We are telling you the ark is God. The ark is God. My brother, don't let something happen to you before you ask for forgiveness. Don't let something happen to you. Please.
Sikan de sawajo so nje yedi yenim de enim say onim say time is money. Why waste your time? It's what sika. The same thing. Ubeka so unji obi sika no. Yes, physical money unji and so time is money. Wa be ji ada aja beka say 25 ma ya beti o. Me no ka say obi aton di fie. Me no ka say obi akobobosia. O ni say anka nsuo to ide na anka nsuo na be yire bank ni na. Then the bank de bubu na anka sika ni na be ye bodia. Ni na asa na ebubu a ebu settings to otwe ebu no wa. Ebu no anka no krebu. Yi ni babonini. Irade small say irade small. Then they say by thunder by fire ebu. 25 ni de. When ya nsuo amana anto a ende wa wasem wa ojejirejin se na wo ye no settings na wo twe any sa ebro kotoku na wo hye say disciples for won say sa ebro kotoku no won say hwe Jesus ma se na me kire no mi do mo hye tie se na Peter ana ne Peter be ka che nipa no a wote gate na temple na no say silver and gold I have none no Saturday bi na no hye no bi na ebu akohye no ti dan kolebu 25 ni dru na wenya insuo bia mananto ana de beti bia de emfa ye ho sa na South Africa pastor bi beka say irade ba no ye ne TikTok live de irade ba ya ye be hu ne TikTok live say the church members ne o mo believe no irade page o mo ko say na nka won say abene bo totrobento ne bo pampana na nka odaseni aye hye ehefa na obefa what I say ni na na omoboa irade nka ahwenche ni pe bia Erade se oba ne se kronfo obi ehu nti obeba na wo bo kron physical wo no o heavy no wa wo bete ho ase se enye heavy na akọ bon sanjem na akọ yenhia no yenteto what I say nso ebo erade se onfa nsu ense asase so Bible no what kind of saying nso ebo se nsu beto until then there until 25th ye twa nsu se beto yi na o subscribe na o like amaye aha Penas Media TV edu ono na nsuo ni yire a YouTube account no ase ese yaso dia nsuo no anto so dia ahia na de ba begu eboso intend uncle ebu se osapo mu den ana se osapo mu nsuo se osapo mu seminar se na mbeka ni bia na ebusia ye jam ha se ya like na subscribe na share reviews or comment section as with us.